Alright, quick question for you. Imagine you need to book a massage, a coaching session, a pottery class, anything. You're ready to throw your money at someone, but they're nowhere to be found online. No website, no booking link, nothing. Just a phone number you're hesitant to call. Frustrating, right? Now flip the script. What if you're the service provider? Are you losing clients because you think you absolutely need a fancy website to use a powerful scheduling tool like Acuity? Pause, allowing the question to sink in, because that's what we're tackling today. Can you really use Acuity scheduling without a website? It's a question I get asked all the time, and honestly, it's a valid one. We live in a world where a polished online presence feels like a non-negotiable. But what if you're just starting out? What if you're a freelancer, a solopreneur, or a small business owner who isn't ready to invest in a full-blown website? What if you simply don't have the time or technical know-how to build one? Let's be real, building a website can feel like climbing Mount Everest in your pajamas. There's the domain name, hosting, design, content creation, the whole shebang. It's overwhelming, especially when all you really want to do is focus on your craft, on delivering your services. You want to take bookings, manage your schedule, and get paid without diving headfirst into the deep end of web development. Acuity scheduling, for those who might be new to it, is a fantastic tool. It automates the entire booking process. It lets clients see your availability, book appointments, pay online, and even receive automated reminders. It's a game changer for anyone who deals with appointments. But, and this is the crucial part, it's often perceived as requiring a website for it to be effective. Now let's break down the myth. The answer, in short, is a resounding yes. You can absolutely use Acuity without a website. You don't need a sprawling, multi-page website to leverage the power of this scheduling tool. And I'm going to show you exactly how. The magic lies in Acuity's direct scheduling link. Every Acuity account comes with a unique scheduling link. This link is your golden ticket. It's a direct portal to your booking calendar, a standalone page that clients can access without ever visiting a traditional website. Think of it as your virtual storefront, accessible with a simple click. So, how do you use this link? Well, you can share it anywhere and everywhere. You can embed it in your social media profiles, your Instagram bio, your Facebook page, your LinkedIn profile. These are all prime real estate for your Acuity link. Include it in your email signature. Every email you send becomes a potential booking opportunity. Send it directly to clients. Share the link via text message, WhatsApp, or any other messaging platform. Use it in QR codes. Create a QR code that leads directly to your booking page and include it on business cards, flyers, or even event signage. Add it to online directories. If you're listed on any online directories, make sure to include your Acuity link. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. It's direct, it's efficient, and it eliminates the need for any technical expertise. You don't have to worry about website maintenance, updates, or design. You simply share your link, and your clients can book appointments with ease. Now, let's dive deeper into how you can make this link work for you. First, you need to optimize your Acuity booking page. Just because you don't have a website doesn't mean your booking page should look bland and unprofessional. Customize your branding. Add your logo, choose your brand colors, and select a font that reflects your style. This creates a cohesive and professional look. Write compelling descriptions. Clearly describe your services, pricing, and any other relevant information. Use persuasive language to encourage bookings. Add high-quality images. Visuals are crucial. Use professional photos of yourself, your workspace, or your products to create a visually appealing booking page. Set clear availability. Ensure your calendar accurately reflects your availability. This prevents double bookings and client frustration. Enable online payments. Make it easy for clients to pay for their appointments by enabling online payment options. By optimizing your Acuity booking page, you can create a seamless and professional booking experience, even without a website. Another crucial aspect is communication. How do you build trust and credibility without a website? The answer lies in effective communication. Utilize automated emails and text messages. Acuity allows you to send automated appointment confirmations, reminders, and follow-up messages. This keeps clients informed and engaged. Provide prompt and personalized responses. When clients have questions or inquiries, respond promptly and professionally. This shows that you value their business. Collect and showcase testimonials. Ask satisfied clients to leave testimonials and feature them on your booking page or social media profiles. This builds trust and credibility. Leverage social proof. Share positive reviews and client success stories on your social media platforms. This demonstrates the value of your services. By focusing on clear and effective communication, you can build strong relationships with your clients and establish yourself as a trusted service provider. Now, let's address some common concerns. Some people worry that not having a website will make them look unprofessional. But the truth is, a well-optimized Acuity booking page can be just as professional, if not more, than a poorly designed website. Others worry about discoverability. How will clients find them without a website? This is where strategic marketing comes into play. Utilize social media marketing, create engaging content, and build a strong presence on social media platforms. Network with other professionals. Attend industry events and connect with potential clients and partners. Offer referral incentives. Encourage existing clients to refer new clients by offering discounts or other incentives. Collaborate with other businesses. Partner with complementary businesses to cross-promote your services. Invest in local SEO. Even without a website, you can optimize your Google My Business profile and local listings to improve your visibility in local search results. By implementing these marketing strategies, you can reach a wider audience and attract new clients, even without a website. It's important to acknowledge that a website is a powerful asset. It can provide a wealth of information about your business, showcase your portfolio, and enhance your online presence. But it's not a necessity, especially when you're just starting out. Think of Acuity as a stepping stone. It allows you to streamline your booking process, build a client base, and generate revenue. Once you've established a solid foundation, you can then consider investing in a website to further enhance your online presence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.